Adonis provides a robust routing system that is very easy to work with. Right now I'm showing you the default homepage that is shipped with AdonisJS. When we visit the homepage, we get this view in response. Now let's figure out how routing works in Adonis. Inside the start folder, you will find a file called routes.ts. This is where we register our project routes. Initially, we are having a single route registered at the moment, and that is handling the homepage. When we visit the homepage, that is the /, it will render a view called welcome. Views are basically stored inside the resources folder. And here is the view called welcome.h. A view basically contains HTML, CSS, and that's it. Now let's change this text into something else. Here it is changed. So that's how views work in Adonis. We will talk about views in depth in all later videos. The render method is basically used to handle static views or templates. Now we will use the HTTP request methods like get to do the exact same thing. That means we will handle the home page with the HTTP request method get. Let's get back to the routes file and let's comment this one out. So what we are doing here is when we visit the home page, that is the /, it will return a view called welcome. We are using the render method of view. Now let's refresh the page and we are getting the exact same thing. So that is how we can use HTTP request methods like get to get a view in response from the server side. Adonis provides a really flexible way to work with views. Now let's go back to our routes file and add another route. Now instead of returning a view, this time we are just returning a single string. When we visit the URL about, it will return a string about. Now the / is not compulsory. You can just write it like this also. So now save it. Now if we visit to the URL /about, we will get it. Now what if we visit an URL that is not registered? Suppose XYZ. In that case, it will return us an exception page. It's showing that the route not found because we have not registered this route. This view you will only get in the development environment, while in production you will just get the text that route not found. So this is how routing works in Adonis.